That'll work out though. Going on, it's so difficult to put, you know, every player on the main arena. You always feel like defending champions got to play on there as well, don't you? On the 8 ball to get on the hill. Just the 8 and 9 remain. Champions got to win the last 4 racks, or we will not be lifting the trophy again.
Well, not to be for our young friend from yesterday. Positive start, confident start here.
Out. Yeah. We've seen that a lot.
Yeah.
One of the patrons has moved out the way and he's on a long 8 ball. I feel like I'm a bit invested in the. They were cheering at the side, Dave.
Yeah, totally, and there's more cheering now because then young. Of course, AJ Manassi, he won the Hanoi Junior Open.
A lot of tension in the junior event. I'm enthralled by this big crowd round here.
What have you won?
Well, he's got a big future, hasn't he? You know, Matchroom Sport, Barry Benko, still absolutely distraught. It's good to see that, though. You know, get that.
This for a 2-rack lead. Yeah, it's a real steady start.
Didn't even make it through to the final 64. Kazakis plays the bank and he plays it well. Good start this from Alexander Kazakis. Yeah, he did. Just made sure he potted the ball.
Very strong start this. Yeah, good stuff.
Well, another shot on the lowest ball, and I'll tell you what. TV played it left-handed, and this will be okay. He's got a shot on the pink 4. Yeah, draws the cue ball back nicely. Number 8, Albert Manis walks into the arena. Second match on. He's yet to get to the table.
Yeah, the funny thing was he got here a good 5 minutes. Kazakis not in the mood to do that. Can't really stop. Just monopolising that table.
5-pack. Early days. Letner tied at 8-8. The Slayer Levan Cortez a 9-7 over Aranas. That's on the other.
Oh, you're just joining us. And there's absolutely no let up in the intensity.
Well, this is what you've got to do in any match. I feel like you've got to do it more so against Manners because of the style of game.
Continues to be.
Yep, good shot. Which he nailed. Cue ball's been pretty good, the break's been good. So he is on the hill, 10-6 over Pagalayan.
Playing some seriously good stuff here. The break has been excellent, and the focus after the break.
Every time. And he's getting yeah, positional shot's gone a little bit wrong there. Don't know if he's trying to stun into the 6. Yeah, as he potted it. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Everything is working out perfect for the Greek.
Yeah, you could probably let a firework off at the table, he wouldn't notice it. He's so focused on what he's doing.
Just wants his cue ball to slow down. That's fine. Couple of rails with the cue ball. A little bit short this time, so he's left himself a little tester.
Very impressive. First ball potted. Yeah, I mean, he's a great talent. We've seen that all week in that picture of John Morrow where he led for quite a lot of the way and then had to win the last couple. And then also Chan Junlin 9-7. One thing we've already seen from him this week as well, he doesn't hang about.
The Saudi Junior Championships has also taken place. We're down to the final 4. And it will be Felix Vogel against local player Faris Salah Almaden. The final will be tomorrow night, 7 PM. Showing us what talent he possesses, showing how he cues the ball, very loose, very fluent. 17 years of age, could have played in the junior event. Decided not to.
He's had a bit more table time since. Kazakis maybe a little lucky missing the 2, covering it.
Our feed, to apologise for that, YouTube viewers, but we will keep you updated as the rack unfolds. The man we're watching, Kazakis, it's just been pretty much flawless, hasn't it? He's done everything right. Cue ball position, he's potted balls, he's broke well. least. I know it's still only the last 64, but as the better players start to meet each other, we expect closer matches and drama. He's played a great shot, Alawadi, to get on the 6 ball. I know you can't see this, but his good friend Abdullah Al Yusuf, a former semi-finalist, is following that hill. Yeah, good shot from Kazakis. Yeah, he potted that ball a little fat off the jaw. That's why the cue ball's not rolled down. Woo Kun Lin, rather, he's going along okay against SVB. He's 4-3 up. This type of shot's a lot easier than, let's say, if it was 8-8. At 8-8, it's very missable. Yeah, smart play. Just get the cue ball over here.
Kazakis really stealing himself, knocks in the 9. It's 9-1.
Talking about a battle, seems at the TV table he's not been very kind to our big players on the circuit. FSR, if you're just joining us, the defending champ is a goner.
Yeah, a real sickener, that. A real sickener.
About a month ago, she gave birth to him, so some of these big hitters, again, I'll say it again, if we could pick 8 players who we would think could go on to lift the title, you know, there's a few of them that are under the gun a little bit and didn't play great, but he got the job done, he got the win. It would be hard to see Kazakis not close out the match here.
Semi-finalist a couple of years ago, he would love to get himself into the title match this year. Just a word for his opponent, as I say, he has won a lot of friends with junior champ. A couple of good wins, but was shut out early on, and then when the chances did come, yeah, he's been superb. This has been really impressive. Just making a statement. Some of the big boys have gone, he is still here. Alex Kazakis with a